Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into Citizens Bank credit card account online. To do so, firstly, go to your preferred web browser. Here, I'm using Safari for now. Then, on the search box, search for www.citizensbank.com and press enter. Furthermore, this will take you to their website. To log in, you will have to click on the login button in red at the top right corner of your screen, right beside the search text box. Here, a small expansion will open up once you click on login. Here you can see a few list of bank accounts that can be logged into. To log into your credit card account online, you will have to scroll up and click on the credit card online services option. Then click on the login button. This will take you to a page where you have to enter your login credentials to log in to your credit card account. If you've reached here and then you still don't have an account yet, you may click on the Enroll Now link right below the Sign In button in orange. However, if you do have an account, you may proceed. You will have to firstly enter your username in the first text box and then your password in the second text box. In any case, if you forget your username or password, you may click on the Forgot Username or Forgot Password link below. Once you make sure you filled in both your details correctly, you may click on the Sign In button in orange. This is how you may easily log into your Citizens Bank credit card account. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.